reminds me. You were ignoring your calls while I was brushing. Who was that?
Sonia, of course. She keeps calling and calling and calling. You know, sometimes she says something meaningful, other times she doesn't even say anything at all. Oh, I'm tired of it all.
Probably maybe she wants to remain friends with you, you know.
Obviously. But she should quit trying because I don't want to be her friend. You know, the most painful part of it all is she never, even for once, apologized for what she did.
Apologize? Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I ran into her the other day. She was like, Ejai, I know why you had to open up to Ogechi because you're afraid that she's going to find out. Since I was living with her. But now that I have moved, you don't have anything to be afraid of again. I shouted at her and she started threatening me.
Is Sonia okay? What is even wrong with that girl? Aside the fact that she didn't even apologize to me for what she had done, she's trying to compile it further by doing more. Is she mad or something? What is wrong with her?
I knew it from the very first day I met her. She's a pretender.
But baby, why didn't you tell me about your encounter with her?
Oh, come on, baby. I don't want to disturb you with anything that concerns Sonia, you know. Oh, see, I love you so much and nothing can stop it. Not even 100 of Sonia.
Are you sure?
Of course, I am sure. Come here. It's so sweet, you know. So adorable. Love you so much.
I love you too. Are you kidding me? Come on, stop. What's your problem? He's calling me with an European number. At this odd hour of the night. Okay, let's see. Hello?
Hello, beautiful Sonia.
Good evening. Please, may I know who this is?
My name is Ekene, your landlord.
Good evening, sir. I didn't know it was you.
Of course, I know. It's cool. How are you?
Very well, sir.
You're welcome. You know we've not talked since you moved to the house. Hope the house and the compound is comfortable enough for a beautiful girl like you.
Yes, sir. Your house is really, really nice. In fact, I actually feel like it's my personal space, like my personal house. I must say, I'm enjoying myself. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's good to hear. How about my wife? Hope she's not giving you issues.
No, not at all. I mean, your wife is one of the nicest people I've met in my life. In fact, in recent times, she's been so amazing and accommodating.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't know how happy I am to hear that. About my wife, I have been trying to... No, never mind. Did you see her this evening? Is she in the house now?
Well, I came back very late today, so I didn't check up on her. Well, you should call her and ask.
I'll do that. I just wanted to check up on you and let me leave you to sleep now.
Alright, thank you, sir. It's really late. Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Bye. Thank God I didn't say anything bad. Should I be worried? I need to save the number. Sonia, you being serious?
100%. Babe, I was relaxing. The next thing I saw a foreign number. When I picked up, it was my landlord.
Why will he call you that late at night? What did he say though?
Nothing of importance too. He was just calling to ask me how am I settling in, how is the house going, and then he now chipped in his wife. Is she at home? How are the girls? Hope they're not fighting. How is the evening going? Babe, I almost slipped off to say that the wife always goes to our parents' place every Friday. But the angel in me clipped my mouth. My sister, let me smart I don't just understand. His wife is in the right position to tell him her whereabouts. Nobody should just stress me.
Sonia, are you sure that this man is not trying to woo you?
Woo me?
Yes.
Babe, that would be mission impossible. Because as you see me, Sonia, so I can never read my lips. I can never date a married man. Never. Ha! I beg.
Men will always be men. He didn't even care if you were going to tell his wife about it.
Babes.
Hey.
Babe, slow down. It has not been established that he wants to get under my pants. So let's just...
So why then would a married man call a single lady late at night like that? Why? Listen, I think you better make him understand that you are not interested in the dirty games he's trying to play. Maybe that's why he even gave you the house in the first place.
I think he had a genuine reason of calling me. I mean, being the reason that preceded my moving into the house, right? So let's just cut the man some slack. Relax, okay?
Are you Sabiru? I don't talk like him. Because I don't know why married man would be called person.
It's all due, mommy.
Daddy.
He just called me, you know. Yeah, I don't feel.
Sonia.
Work is fine, sir. No, not at all. I mean, your wife has been super amazing since I got in here. Yeah, since I moved in, she's been the same. She's made the house so much fun for me. Yes, sir. I mean, we just had drinks before we retired to our bedrooms. Sorry? Oh, it's okay, no problem, sir. Alright, sir. Good night, sir. Alright, bye.
You mean you didn't say anything in particular to you?
The same thing. You know, he called and was asking, how is my job? How am I settling in, you know? And then he now went down to his wife, asking me if she's at home. He's always asking me that question, you know, and he told me. He told me never to tell his wife that he's been calling me.
You did?
He did. I'm suspecting this man. I'm suspecting that he wants me to keep an eye on his wife. But I'm not yet sure about it. I'm not certain about it.
Well, maybe you're right. Or maybe he's just trying to use this to get close to you. Who knows?
Amaka, you're always jumping into conclusions. Yes, some men may behave this way. But the exact point is not all men are same. Not all men are same.
Oh. Then, be bold enough to ask him what he wants from you the next time he calls. Got it?
Aye, Captain.
Can I walk now? Over to your chair.
What if I don't want to go? What are you going to do? ND.
How on earth did this happen? 113,000 naira gone in the twinkle of an eye? Now juju them used for me. How did I bet up to that amount and still lose all? Wait a minute. Are you sure I wasn't robbed? I think someone picked my pocket because it is not possible that I will stake a whole 113,000 naira on a bet. How do I face those guys now?
I'm very much fine, sir, and you?
That's good. What about my wife? Did you see her this night?
Yes, I did, sir. As a matter of fact, your wife has made my stay here memorable. I mean, we've been having so much fun lately. Like this night, we had some drinks before we retired to our bedrooms. She's just an amazing soul. Please, I want to ask you something. Is there something you want me to do for you? I mean, feel free to ask me. If it's within my powers or my limits, I'll do it. Hello, sir.
Alright, this is one deep secret I'm sharing with you. I know you're mature and you will understand my troubles. My wife, I've been here in Germany for the past 5 years, doing all I can to make my wife live a better life. The car she's driving, it's her third car in 4 years. I change it whenever she asks me to. I opened a boutique for her with millions of naira. But my wife and the workers ran it down. Last year I sent my money in 5-feet container to revive the business, but everything disappeared like the first. Though I was angry, but asked her to take a course in estate management, after which I will support her with the funds to start an agency. Let me ask you, am I doing badly as a husband? I mean, if the man you're married to does these things for you, would you have the mind to cheat on him?
Sir, judging by everything you just said, you've been amazing to your wife, you know. But why would you think she's cheating? Or have you caught her cheating?
I know she's cheating. Okay. Tell me why she would always sack the gatekeepers and dismantles the security cameras if there's nothing fishy.
This is quite tempting, sir, but of the truth, your wife is amazing, first of, like I said. And I always come back from work late, so I don't check up on her often, but the few times I do, I mean, she's always there, she's always in the house. So I think you've got a sweet woman as a wife, sir.
There are 3 men I suspect. Friends have given me clues, but nothing solid. You're the closest person who can assess her movement for me. Sorry I'm involving you, but desperate times calls for desperate measures.
Alright, good night, sir.
My sister, if this city doesn't kill you, it will send problem that will definitely kill you. Look at me running from a friend who thinks I want to snatch her boyfriend. Boom! I landed to the direct eye of the storm.
So, you asked him what he wanted from you. And this was what he had to say to you.
Actually, that was when I realized I was in the middle of a brewing storm and my heart started racing.
I hope you didn't tell him anything about his wife.
Why would I do that? No, even, babe, why? I can't do such a thing. I won't be the one to spill. I won't do that. I only listened to him carefully. I didn't talk too much.
Wait, Sonia. With everything you've just said now, or with what you've observed living with them, do you think that the wife is cheating?
thought about it until we spoke, the husband. I spoke to him and I started thinking back so many things. You know, her mode of dressing, whenever she says she wants to go visit her parents on a weekend, on the weekends. And whenever she comes back, the way she looks, my conversation with her, babes, to be honest, I think the way the husband is feeling might be true.
Okay. Now that you've confirmed that she's cheating, are you going to tell her husband?
Why you two they jump into conclusion, this girl? Hey, Amaka, I said I don't know, I'm thinking. I've not confirmed it yet. Listen, babe, it's not, even if she is cheating, it is none of my business. I came to fetch fire. I didn't come to see what is cooking. Please, nobody should put me in trouble.
Are you stabbing?
Ha!
I've said my own.
No. AGK, I said no. How can you suggest I give you such an amount of money to pay debt? What happens to the business I want to do with it? What do you know about my plans, don't you?
Baby, I know. But trust me, I understand the need for the money. But we are talking about bad boys here. They can hurt me, you know. They can even kill me. Okay, will you rather keep the money and something bad happens to me?
Don't you dare play that emotional card with me. Are you listening to yourself? Tell me, what was the business deal? No. Explain it to me because I don't understand what business deal you had with those guys that had the money accumulated to that amount within a short period of time. Explain it.
Sweetheart, we are digressing here. We are talking about how to clear the debt, not what caused the debt. That it didn't happen for me doesn't make me stupid, you know.
Ejike, don't make me sound like a fool. You know that's not what I meant. So don't do that. Don't go there.
Baby, see, I know the money is huge, but trust me, you can give me the money as a loan and I'm going to pay you with interest. Come on.
Ejike, for the rest of the day, don't talk to me. Just let me be.
I really had an amazing time.
Can't say that again.
Look at you. You're so good at what you do. And I want you to continue to be a good boy. So make sure you come tomorrow, okay?
It's alright. I will definitely come to see you.
You sure you will?
Yes.
I don't want to wait for you. Oh my goodness. Oh. You know, that's jogging. Are you sure we completed the number of humps you said we should?
Hi, Amanda.
Oh, Sonia. It's okay. You can go. We will continue tomorrow, okay? And don't forget the equipment I asked you to buy for me for the yoga classes. Okay? Okay. Have a nice day. Oh my goodness, Sonia! You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Church.
I'm off to church.
Oh, church.
Yeah.
You're a church girl too. That's amazing. Okay.
Yes.
That's my my gym instructor. You know, yes, I'm having, there's this pain I normally have at the end of the month. So he comes to give me some yoga classes.
It's okay. I'm late for church, so let me get along.
Okay, all right. Have a nice day, eh? Please remember to pray for me in church.
Okay.
All right. Goodness. This little swine is always at the right place at the wrong time. I just hope
hoping she didn't see anything.
The story you posted has been generating huge traffic online. The engagement has been massive.
I know. Like, I'm actually marveled by people's reaction, you know. I never knew that this story was going to cause so much buzz in a short period of time.
But don't you think Amanda will probably know the story has everything to do with she and her husband when she reads it, considering how explicit you were?
Do you think I'm daft? Hell no. I mean, I blocked her and our mutual friends before posting it. I honestly hope she doesn't get to see it. You know?
I have been going through the comments and it appears everybody is saying the same thing.
You know, that was my initial plan from the onset. So I figured I needed people's, perception or perspective about it. That's why I posted it. And everybody's saying the same thing. So I have decided to be the girl who brought sanity instead of being the villain in the story.
The word about the woman's infidelity to her husband. Mind your business and allow the couple resolve their own issues.
Let's see. If the husband doesn't suspect that his wife is cheating and doesn't give me the task of spying on the wife, then everything will be fine. So I've decided to have a talk with her about it. I mean, like a sister, I'll talk to her about it.
So how do you intend to achieve that?
Looks like she's back. I'll talk to you later, alright?
Yeah, who's that? Sonia, how are you? You know, I was actually going to walk to my own wing of the house. I noticed your light was on. Why are you not sleeping yet?
It's social media. You know, it gets lonely, so I use the social media to get myself busy.
Wait a minute. So now you've been here long enough to get yourself a boyfriend. Yes. I mean, why would a beautiful girl like you be single?
I don't know. We're not ready yet. Amanda.
Yes. I'm sorry, there's something really important I want to discuss with you about. But of course, it's fine. Whenever you're free, we can talk about it. If you're not feeling sleepy, I'm up for it now.
Of course, sure, please. Come sit down.
Okay. Thank you. So what's so important that couldn't wait till tomorrow? The other morning, okay, I saw a man coming out of your house. And after that, I've been seeing him coming in and out. I'm sorry, I don't mean to meddle, but I see you like my sister and I really care about you. So, I don't know if what? I just care about you and I don't want anything to happen to your marriage. Like, I know you're married and your husband loves you so much, you love him right back. So I don't want people to start talking. You know, people can really talk. I don't want them to make you have issues with your husband. Are you done with your speech?
It's actually...
No, are you done?
I'm done, yeah.
Good. You know, I really like the way you started your speech. You said it was none of your business. And I will be glad if you keep it that way. By the way, in your little head, you calculated that a man you saw here is the same man that has been coming to my house. What if that was my brother or my in-law? Why would you conclude that the same person you saw the other day is the same man you have been seeing? That's because I'm
Honestly, I don't want you to have an ill feeling about me. If I don't care, I wouldn't mention all this. I really care about you. I care about your welfare, and I see you like a sister. And I don't want people to start, like, I'm just repeating everything I said, but I don't want people to really put their mouths in your business.
Okay. Same way you're putting your mouth in a business that is not supposed to be your concern. Well, just so you know, I'm an adult and I can handle my issues myself. If you're having insomnia, try to see a doctor. I think lack of sleep is the issue you're having right now. And I think you should go to bed. It's quite late.
I'm sorry, I just see you as a sister, that's all. I'm sorry.
Just a soft reminder, darling. We don't look alike in any way. You are short and I am tall. You're a size 16. I'm a 12. You talk too much. I am a very calm and reserved person. That makes us two different people. In other words, we are not sisters. So keep your sisterly advice to yourself.
Shouldn't I have told her? It's obvious she's angry over what I said to her. But I'm pleased to have finally let it off my mind. Anyway, some people tend to fight the truth in your presence, but when they are alone with their conscience, they see the truth in what you said to them. I guess I should allow her to fight it out with her conscience. Period.
I am short. You are tall. Sonia. Okay.
Amanda, what's up?
You mean you saw them? At where? Look, this has got to be a joke, right? Are you being serious right now? Are you sure this is not one of your silly pranks? I can't believe this. Okay, where is he now? Do you have any proof to back up this thing you just said now? Do you have any proof? Good. Send it to my WhatsApp ASAP. This better not be true.
Hi, Amanda.
Yes, how may I help you?
I'm sorry for disturbing whatever.
Please just say whatever it is you came here to say. I don't have all day.
Okay. I don't know why you've been cold towards me.
the discussion I had with you is because I care about you. And I really want what's best for you. That's why I had that conversation with you. Please, I didn't mean to offend you or anything like that.
Are you done?
Yes.
And you said I am cold towards you.
Exactly.
Do you want to get hot? Yes, because I can actually take you inside, lock you up inside my oven and heat you up. Just so you know, I have been keeping to myself because I don't want anyone to give my husband wrong information about me. I would help. Please shut up. I'm a...
Has he got into that?
My dear, it has gone past it. In fact, this is beyond it. This is above it.
My goodness.
To her, it seems like I don't even exist.
My goodness.
If only she knew how you've been covering up for her. How you have rejected the possibility of being a rent-free tenant just to protect her.
My dear, it seems you're stoned down on the calls. But time to time, especially weekends, you'll be writing me, sending me text messages. Is my wife at home? Where is she? You know, and of course my response would be, yes, she's there.
Yeah.
Or I'm not in the house. I can't tell. You can find out from her. My dear, I don't want to be involved in any family issues. It is their family issue. They should sort it out themselves. They should just take me out of it. As it is now, I want to move out.
Again? But it's just few months. What happens to your rent?
Babe, like I told you, they have their issues to deal with. I can't be in the center of this whole thing. I can't be in the middle of it. I need to cut myself some slack. I need to go. I need to leave. Babe, I've been advised. I need to move out from that house ASAP. Before it becomes worse, because I won't even stand it. Let me even call my agents. I don't want wahala. Hello, agent. Yes, it's Sonia. This is my second number. Yes, I would like to see you today, this afternoon, if you don't mind. Okay, I'll meet you up there. Alright. See you soon. Look, we'll go look for house.
Wait a minute. When did this happen?
Yesterday. I was informed he has been doing this for a while now.
Babe. Hey! Yesterday, Lon, you heard about this and you are just telling me. Babes, we are supposed to have paid that lady a visit. Yes, now. We're supposed to teach her small lesson.
Look, the lady is too inconsequential and stupid to be my headache. My problem is Greg. I will so deal with him. Hey.
Babes. Wait a minute, babe. The last time I checked, you and Greg are not together. Not even close. So why the hate on him?
Yes, I know. I know we're not together. But he knows I love and care about him. Yet he has the guts to frolic with another woman that is close to me. This guy get man sha.
Now you're mixing this whole thing up. I mean, I'm getting confused. You said you don't know this lady in question. And you just said that the lady is close to you. Do you know this lady?
I mean, I know, but Greg knows that we're in the same town together. And he has the guts to frolic with another woman. Knowing fully well that I will hear and see him. Why will he do that to me? Greg, you've beaten more than you can chew. And I was so bite hard.
I think you should take it easy. Yeah? Calm down.
That can be arranged too. But if I may ask, why are you moving out so soon? Is the wife creating problems for you? You can talk to me. I can reach out to the husband.
Nothing of such. My fiancé is not just comfortable visiting me, since it's a personal house, so that's the reason.
Fiancé, okay. Well, that's by the way. You know you're like a sister to me. I'm only showing concern, but it's alright. That's still your business, notwithstanding. There is this house, but it's not up to that standard. But it's quite decent.
As long as it's decent, please can I see the house?
Of course, why not? If you're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Follow me.
Sonia, this was the same way you left your friend's house and got into the wrong house. And now you want to make the same mistake. Don't you think you're making a rash decision here?
Rash decision is seeing the sign and yet I moved in. So I want to correct it now.
Correct it? And this is how you intend to correct it? By making the same mistake and not consulting or considering?
Babes, the house is a self-apartment in a commercial building. What am I supposed to consult and consider?
Okay, well, anyway, you've already paid for the house. So what can I say? When are you moving in?
As soon as possible. The house, I'm not really enthusiastic about the house, right? But I just need to do some repainting here and there and then put things in place. Then I'll move. I just need to get away from Ekene and its troubles. That's all.
Yeah, well, I get it. Well, I hope you know what you're doing.
I'll be fine. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Baby. Baby.
Oh. Baby, it's you. You startled me.
Obviously. You were lost in your thoughts when I came in. You didn't even notice my presence. What's going on? Because I've been trying to reach you on the phone ever since, but your number is not connecting. What happened?
Yeah, I had to switch it off.
Why? Are you okay?
You know, those guys, they've been disturbing my life, so I had to switch the phone off.
But why would they disturb you? I thought I gave you some money. What? They don't have any reason to disturb you anymore. What?
Maybe, yeah. I know, but you know, I gave them 40,000 naira. And I ran into another person that was owing money. And he threatened to call the police on me. So, you know, I didn't want to tell you this because you've done a lot for me already.
Ejike, this had better be a joke because I can't deal with you right now.
Sir, like I told your wife earlier, I've been given an accommodation by my office.
I hope it's not because of what I asked you to do. If that's the reason, you can forget about leaving the house, because I won't call to worry you again. I already have someone on it and the person is doing well, so you don't have to leave because of that.
No, sir, not at all. Honestly, I had an amazing time staying at your place, but the thing is, the house is close to the office and it's easier for me, sir.
Okay, if that's what you want, when are you leaving?
If everything goes well, let's say before weekend, I should be out of here.
I'll give you a refund for the rent you paid when you move in eventually.
Thank you very much, sir. You're so kind. God will replenish your pocket. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate.
Just keep me informed.
Thank you, sir.
Is causing commotion, and now you are under investigation. Because of you, somebody's in danger. Because you did try express anger. Have you ever wondered how it will end?
Hi.
Because...
Well, I just thought to let you know that I'll be moving out tomorrow. Good luck with that. Anything else? Not at all. But since I'm moving out, I think you need to know some things that you need to know. Your husband has been suspecting that you're cheating on him. That is the reason I had that talk with you the other day. You know, you've really got some nerves. To think that you have been giving my husband wrong information about me. And you have the guts, the effrontery, the impetus to gather your stupid self to come spit this nonsense in my face. How dare you? If you would allow me to sit down, maybe you would know my reason. Sit. Those are the evidences you need to know. I am telling you the truth. What exactly did you say to my husband? Gosh, I wouldn't be here if I had said something to him. Listen, your husband loves you, but he has been aggressive due to what he has heard. If truly that guy is your sibling or his sibling, then he doesn't know that. Whoever reported you to him doesn't even know. So you need to clear your husband the truth. How am I sure you didn't say something stupid to my husband? And I'm here. I have defended you as a woman because I care about you. I take you like my sister, like I told you. The main reason I am leaving here is because I want you to resolve whatever issue you have with your husband. Do what is right. That's all I have to say. Have a nice day.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, it's okay?
Yes, it's fine. At least put a smile on your face. Come on. Smile.
I told you I'm not happy. Yes, I'm not happy with this. Huh? You are supposed to leave tomorrow morning, not today. It is Sunday, for crying out loud.
Okay,
and we have a lot of activities to catch fun together. But you just kill the fun.
Well, I already told you that I have something very important to do on Monday morning. Tomorrow morning, I have to be back home today to fix up everything. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. I know that you have already made up your mind. Okay? But I love you.
I know, right? And I love you too. Okay? Don't worry. I'll make it up to you. I promise.
Oh yeah, you must. You must make it up to me. Okay. Can we go inside and have some fun?
Papa, are you crazy? No, not today. You're not even serious. I'll give you okay, baby. Bye.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Call me when you get home.
I will.
Alright, bye now.
Okay. Oh.
Bye.
Whoa, she has become untruthful. Hey, become unfaithful. She has become ungrateful. Her attitude very disgraceful. And for her husband is faithful. So investigate them well. Investigate them well. There is more to it than meets the eyes. Investigate
Oh! Babe!
Are you surprised? Huh?
My darling, you are back!
Darling. Where are you? Hey. Oh man. Oh, where are you coming from?
When did you get back? When did you return?
Oh, you expected me to tell you so you could have a lot of lies to tell?
I'm sorry, there's something on your head.
Nah, just... it's all cool. Well, I came back since Friday.
Oh, Friday.
That information is okay. I mean, it's enough.
Yes. Of course, you know I wouldn't lie to you. The thing is, Ify, yes. You know, I was home all by myself and she called me, she said, she said she was having, fever. So I had some medication here and I just decided to pack a few things, you know, to go and spend the weekend with her. To also take her to the hospital. You're welcome, baby.
Holy Moses. When did Ify move to Plot C, Block 5 at Jawa Estate?
Jawa?
Surprised? I mean, since when did Ify turn into a man? When did she start bearing the name Bob? And she drives a Toyota Highlander.
Whoa. I think you're mixing up things here. You're getting it wrong. I really don't understand what's going on. I'm glad you're back. I'm happy you're back, but what's going on?
Well, it's about a man who just dropped you by my gate. The same man you spent the weekend in his house.
The gates? Oh, no.
Amanda.
Yes?
What haven't I done for you as a husband? Where have I failed as a husband?
Babe, I think you're mixing up everything. It's not what you think. I didn't do anything. I went to keep Ify company, like I said earlier. I haven't done anything wrong. I promise.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You don't know how long I've waited to gather a lot of cheating evidence to end this marriage. And you've just given me a strong proof.
Ekene, you can't say that. This is...
Amanda.
Yes?
I want you to go into that house, get your stuff, and back out of my house. Now.
Ekene, you can't just send me out of our home based on mere allegations.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
Ekene, you won't do that. I mean, you didn't even see me do anything. You're accusing me.
I'll give you 5 minutes.
Ekene, you cannot do that to me.
I felt that I was tough. If you cross me, you get it wrong.
Ekene thinks that he is smart. Ekene had the guts to chase me out of his house. Me, Amanda, the Amazon queen. Babes, I will not let this one slide. I won't let it happen.
The question is, how did you find out? Someone must have given him those information.
Who else? Who else if not that unfortunate fellow that calls herself Sonia?
Sonia?
Of course.
You think so?
You know, say sometimes you ask questions like Mumu. Which one is I think so? Who would have done it? Now tell me, why did she leave the house so quickly? Why was she so quick to leave my house? Of course, Ekene must have given her some substantial amounts of money. Please, I go run that girl straight though. I will show her shege. I will deal with her.
Sonia, this is unbelievable. I just said that girl no feel hot fly. Now wow.
See quiet people. Fear them. They do the worst. But I will show her the other side of me.
I'm gonna believe, hey, them know they see. KK, I'm gonna believe. David, don't mock me now. Stop playing.
Sonia.
Too much liver.
Imagine little Sonia. Wow.
Stop.
Amanda. Why is she calling me?
Hi, Amanda.
Yes. You little sliming bastard. You were so quick to pack your things and leave my house so that you can report me to him and collect the money, right? You think you can come into my home and destroy my marriage and go scot-free? Huh?
Amanda, please, can you just slow down? What are you talking about?
Listen to me and listen good. I swear on my mother's grave, you will never go unpunished. See, let me tell you, you will never get married. And even if you mistakenly do, you will suffer all the wrongs of marriage. Oh, you think you can come and destroy my marriage and have peace? Babes, watch out for me. Watch out.
Can you just hush it right there? What are you talking about? No, what are you spewing from your mouth? Do you think if I wanted to do you bad, I would have collected the money you offered me and I would have gone away? What sort of rubbish is that?
That money will kill you. See, it will suffocate you. It will kill your generation, your children yet unborn, your whole lineage.
Yes, Amanda, you were cheating on your husband. Look at you.
You go out every weekend and you come back on Mondays. You think I wasn't seeing you? It was clear. Guys were trooping in and out of your apartment. A married woman like you should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. If I told your husband anything of those things you did, let me tell you something. You wouldn't be married till now. Okay? You think you were smart. But girl, let me tell you this. I will deal with you. Look at who wants to deal with me. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, I should be scared of you. I should be Will you get off my phone? Idiot. Fool. Now you... Hello? Hey. What did she say? She hung up. Hey, where this girl for the gather liver? The little bitch actually had the guts to hang up. I will crush that girl. This, I will crush her badly. That even when God wants to remold her, He will fix another person's nose for her. I will deal with that girl. As for Ekene, that's one. Make you wait for me. I will come like thriller.
That's my friend talking.
Sonia. And Ekene. Sonia. Can you imagine? No. What sort of rubbish is this? Let me just call her husband because I won't take this nonsense. What rubbish? Where's my WhatsApp? Call on WhatsApp. What nonsense? Let me try a direct call. What rubbish? I've taken enough. Why is the number ringing like this? Is it in Nigeria?
Sonia. Hello, Sonia.
Hello. Are you in Nigeria now?
Yes.
Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. Now I understand. Your wife just called me and she was raining abuses on me. Did anything happen?
It's the shadows of her atrocities that is pursuing her. I came back on Friday. But she came in this evening and was surprised to see me.
Ah, I get it now. Now it's all making sense. It's all making sense to me now.
You saw everything, but decided to keep it to yourself. I'm glad she's doing that to you. At least you both deserve everything coming to you. Well, I've sent her out. Oh yes, and she can come live with you. Nonsense.
That's you people's business, oh. That is you people's business. What's my own? I tried my best. I tried to tell her to be careful. I tried to let her to stop this nonsense attitude. Before you make me cut my tongue now. Eh? See, I mean, nobody just, I said I am unavailable for nonsense. I'm unavailable. Them no, they see me. You cannot see me. You will never see me. Am I the one that sent you message? Look at me, oh, look at me. I'm just here, oh. That means if I had done what the husband wanted me to do, it would have been a different ball game. See me when they try to help person. Fool. I beg. Can you imagine? One day my matter sorry. I'm only woman. KK. Hey. What is the meaning of this? What does this woman want now? Eh? Who else? Amanda. See, she just sent me another death threat. What is all this now? What is all this nonsense? You know you're the one taking this easy with her. Because you have all the evidence you need to arrest her. I don't know. You know, after everything, I actually regret not telling the husband. I didn't tell him. What if I had told him?
Is it not the same thing that would have happened? Is there anything different though? I would have just told the husband, honestly.
Don't let that bother you. I think you did the right thing, and that's all that matters.
You know what? I think I'm going to call the husband right now and report this to him. Good afternoon, sir. Not at all. Sir, your wife just sent me another threat. What is the meaning of this now? It's not funny. Alright, no problem.
The way you just ended the call, it seems like you're going over to talk about it. Listen, girl, you have to be very careful. I don't want you to fall into more trouble than you already are. Please.
Yeah. And let me tell you. Oh shit. I can't wait. Oh yeah. Hey. Woo! Oh shit. Wow. Yeah.
Element, wetin dey happen here? Where the girl?
Bro, thank God
and her bag?
My brother, man, that girl don't wave. Oh.
You say?
She don't japa.
When? How?
My brother never tell. You know me now. I boom, my eye close. I don't know how she take overpower me. She knock me, I fall. She can't tie me oboroko tying. Bro, I beg. On time, me make up sure.
Element, just pray. Maybe say I see that girl. If not,
no, no, Jamie! Jamie! Damn.
Disastrous element.
Hey, my guy. Jamie, man. I greet you, bro. I greet you. What's up?
A balance.
What did this strange? Na poison to kill him.
No one kill him. You only just paralyze him.
Jamie, you no be doctor, I no be doctor. How one carry run am?
This one has small matters now. Then you could just shook am for a lap. Don't finish.
Yeah.
Now so.
Now go run am.
No, later for night. Everywhere don't cool and calm.
Hi, yeah.
You lose guard.
So very soon now they go to push his fine girl for which he be wheelbarrow. Try.
You and girl matter. You leave that matters.
What's up now? Now man matter go run. Hi, so very soon now this fine girl they go to push her for which
talk about me now. Hold on. And they come. Make her collect small money for POS so we go to the...
No pay.
On guard.
No pay. I dig it.
Start talking.
Brother man, I don't reason you waiting play now. That babe says she want urinate. She says she want pee, make I help am stand up. I don't know say she get another plan though. And that time you know say I don't boom, my eye don't close. I can't help am stand up. Before I know wetin they play, the girl kick me for bola.
She kick you for
Before I
bola.
wan bend down hold my bola, she pick one big stick, knock me for head. I fall for ground. She can't tie me oporoko tying like this. Come wave.
Clear me matters. Abi you wan shop the girl because I know say your eyes be dey there.
Bro, now you know say this thing wey dey in between our leg no go school. Na illiterate him be. And Konji no be person brother. I be one run am. Bro, I beg.
I for talk.
Abeg.
Just dey here with the girl. Make her go collect small money. Now you lose guard. You don't mess everything up. Omo, see your matters.
Bro.
You dey fuck up. And you know say she fit don go station. Police will come meet us for this place. No matters. I go reason your matter later.
Bro.
You are a bastard.
Bro, reason with me.
I say you are a bastard.
Who know they fuck up now? Everybody they fuck. You they fuck up once now. You see her blood.
No be this kind fuck up. But you don't lose guard this work like this.
Bro, now on time, reason with me now, I beg. Reason with me. Blood no they flow again. See my blood no they flow, bro. Reason with me now. Who know they fuck up?
You will not the reason. Say make her reason with you, Abi. You the reason before you want chop the girl. Fine, the leg fresh, so your eye can't dey there.
I be your blood though.
Oh my blood where they fuck up and
I be your blood though.
We go reason your matter later.
I be your blood though.
For now, make we find solution, but your matter we go reason am later.
Jamil, I be your blood though.
You just, you make me confused.
I be your blood though. I be your blood though.
This must be a joke of the century. What nonsense are you even saying? You can't call me and tell me that over the phone. I expected you to explain this thing to me the whole time I called you. I really don't want to. Sonia, please, I'm begging you, just let me go, please. I didn't do it, Sonia. I didn't do any of this, please. I beg you, in the name of God. I didn't do it.
You're intentionally raising your voice, right?
No.
You want people to hear your voice, you want to shout. Let's shout! Let me tell you something. I've already made up my mind to face the consequences. Sonia. Yes. So bring it low. We need to talk. Okay?
Okay. I swear, I didn't do it. I didn't plan your kidnap. I swear to God, you need to believe me. I did not do it. Sonia, please listen to me. I didn't do it.
Shut up! Do you expect me to believe this is the truth? Of course you know I won't believe you.
Okay, but Sonia, I need you to believe me. I need you. I'm going to tell you what happened. I actually planned to do it, but I swear to God, I called it off. I did not. I didn't do it.
I have lost something so precious, while I still had it. It wasn't so obvious because I was so distracted by my selfishness and greed. When what I wanted was right in front of me, but I was too blind to see. Oh, I was too blind to see. But now I know.
Amanda. Obviously, you were lost in deep thought. What is your problem? What are you thinking about?
You know what, Itekene? I have been thinking of what to do to move his hand on that account issue.
Okay. Have you come up with anything yet?
No. But I know I will. I should be able to handle him.
Look, Amanda, you have to calm down. I mean, chill.
Is there any other word you learnt in school aside calm down? Why must everything about you be calm? Please, that is the last thing I want to hear now.
You worry too much. You can continue tomorrow.
Just give me time. I need to be alone. I want to think.
Okay, if you say so.
I just want to be left alone. Please.
No verse.
I was too blind to see, but now I know better. Omega Muvunanya, I had lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it.
Yes, hello, Terry. Listen, you need to hold on. Dude, that is the reason I'm calling you. Hold on for now. Don't touch her, just let her be. I'll let you know the next move.
I have to go back and beg. I hope he takes me back. He takes me back. I have lost the good thing I had. I didn't value.
If that was what happened. Sonia, I swear to God, I called it off.
If it wasn't you, then who?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me, Sonia. I didn't do it. You have to believe me. I didn't do it. I did not. You expect me to believe you? When I told you I didn't say anything to your husband, did you believe me? Put that aside. You have to believe me. I know I didn't believe you when you said that, but Sonia, please. Please. Sonia! You sent your dogs to paralyze me. I've been trying to think about this whole thing. What was my offense? Sonia, what did I do? Sonia, please, Sonia, please, you need to believe me. I'm sorry I didn't believe you the whole time, Sonia, please, Sonia. Sonia, please, you need to believe me, Sonia, please, I am begging you, Sonia, I beg you, in the name of God, I did not do it, I did not, Sonia, please.
I have a twin sister. Mama, you never cared to tell me all this while. Why?
I thought keeping it away from you was the best while I searched for her alone. Because of the connection between you two.
Connection? What connection?
Do both of you are fraternal twins? She has the same mark like you at the back of her ear. A divine seer said that it's better you stay apart. That you as the elder will not get married unless you reunite with your sister. But in her own case, she can get married. But she will destroy her marriage with her own hands.
This is unbelievable. Mama, do you still believe in such tale?
It's not tale, my daughter. It's not. You see, everything that has been happening so far with you is part of his predictions. The sickness, the nightmares, the nausea, vomiting and everything. They were all part of his predictions. And more so, he said that it will be more risky and your life in danger if you find out about your missing twin sister at the stage when you are sick. That's the more reason I did not tell you.
This is unbelievable. So, how did she get missing?
A year and a month after you both were delivered. We were living in the north then, during one of the ethnic crises. There was turmoil everywhere. And at the end of the day, when we all reconvened, she was nowhere to be found. Your late father tried the much he could to trace her back to the family, but he couldn't. And that was how he developed high BP, which later claimed his life.
I have a twin sister. Now, so many things are beginning to make sense to me.
One more thing, my daughter. Nobody, no one outside this family must know of this until you are reunited with her. Destiny will lead you to her path and you will get to meet her.
I suffered those sicknesses you just mentioned. I still do till now. But not as much. God. So we are sisters.
Twin sisters. God damn it.
Bloody sisters. Now this whole thing is adding up. Now I understand why I never connected with that family. They were not my family after all. Shut up! Just shut up! Shut up! You tried to kidnap me. No, not tried. You kidnapped me! And you tried to paralyze me? Sonia, I did not. You have to believe me. Amanda, I hate you! Jesus Christ. I hate you. How could you? I didn't do it. I did not do it. Sonia, I didn't do it. You have to believe. Now you shut up! Hey. It's out in the open already. You're supposed to be begging me to forgive you. Shh. Okay.
Ask who it is. Ask who it is.
Who's there?
Amanda, it's me.
Shh. If you try to be silent.
I'm coming out of the shower. I'll open the door soon. Just hold on.
Okay, bye.
Sonia.
Kept you waiting now. Amanda!
What happened to you?
I was running from those guys and I fell.
Sorry. Is it only your hand you hurt?
My thighs too. It hurts bad.
Sorry, just take pain relief. I'm sure you'll feel better.
Thank you. Baby, why don't you help me with the money I asked from you? I'm going to pay you back. I'm tired of running from all these guys.
That's not a problem. But the only thing is, I don't have any money right now. But I'll put it in mind, okay?
I trust you. I know what you can do.
Better. Foolish man. Nemesis has finally caught up with you. Poor thing. If only you know that I'm still keeping you here. Because I'm looking for the best way to revenge. Stupid idiot. I'll not only give you the money, I'll also pay you gratuity and pension. Ungrateful bastard.
Sorry, Sorry.
Thank you.
Welcome to the party, girl. You see, in this party, the rule of the game is that no one tries anything stupid. Your friend kidnapped me and attempted to induce the substance inside of me. Shut up. And that would have made me paralyzed.
Sonia.
So bad, right?
Sonia.
Shut up. I'm not done. Listen, I wouldn't mind going to jail. But would you mind being paralyzed?
Sonia, why are you doing this? What is the meaning of this?
Do not speak until you are asked to speak. I have just one question. Were you aware of this kidnapping?
No, I do not know anything about your kidnap.
Funny thing is that we had issues on several occasions, but she threatened me. Now you kidnapped me and you tried to kill me. I did not. Shut up. Now my twin sister and her friend claim not to know what happened to me.
Twin sister? I don't understand what's going on here.
We just found out.
Amanda, we're sisters. Amanda, your twin sister.
Can you shut up? You don't want to take it?
It's not important.
It is very important. Can you shut up?
Sorry.
What?
Ify, where did I go wrong? I thought we're friends. Don't you ever tell me about being friends, because you don't know what friendship is all about. Now you're beginning to confuse me. Ify, I have been there for you all my life. What did I do wrong to you? You went wrong with Greg. You knew I was in love with him, and you went behind me to sleep with him, ruining my chances of ever being with him. You mean you knew I was the other girl in the picture this whole time? What do you take me for? You think I'm a fool? I knew it was you. You know, when I told you that someone has beaten my feelings, I was actually talking about you. Yes.
Yes. Okay, I accept that what I did with Fred was a mistake. I mean, I was wrong. I regret everything I had to do with him. But why the kidnap?
You know, every day of my life, I see you. I feel like killing you. Jesus. Until one day, I overheard you making calls of not kidnapping Sonia. And I seized the opportunity to mastermind my plans. God, knowing fully well that all fingers will be pointing at you.
So why in God's name did you want Sonia in a wheelchair for life? What did she do to you?
You were just a revenge tool, not a person about you.
Goodness. Ify, I know that what I did to you and with Fred was bad. But come on, you went overboard.
Alright, ladies. Your time is up. Madam, back to the cell.
You know, if I have another opportunity to complete my revenge, I will do it over and over again.
You don't have the money to check it. Come on.
That was what happened. And I believe that most of the things that happened was faith.
This is unbelievable. I mean, this world is really a small world. To think that I was actually having you spy on your own twin sister? Where's your mother now?
Dead. She died of pneumonia last year. February to be precise. That was one of the reasons I left Amani.
What about Ify? What are the police saying about the case?
She'll be charged to court next week.
You know, I was actually surprised when she called me about Amanda. I knew there was a spot on about her information. I also knew there were more to it.
Yes, I mean, I never suspected anything because of their closeness. At some point, I was jealous of their friendship.
You know what? I don't have a bother about it, okay? They both deserve each other.
You're stepping out already?
As you can see.
Well, you look good, by the way.
As usual.
There's something I wanted to talk to you about.
Make it snappy.
Okay.
I'm late already.
Okay, it's about those guys. The money I asked actually to give me so that I can use to settle. I don't know if it's available.
I don't have it yet. Will that be all? I can see that all later. Bye.
I disappointed you. I know I did so many things that I am not even proud of. But please, I am begging you. Please forgive me. Give me the chance to become the wife of your dreams, please.
The dreams you shattered? The dreams you shattered that was supposed to become a reality? But you made it a nightmare to me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I swear to God, I don't know what came over me. I don't know. I don't know when I became this woman. I don't know when I changed into that woman. You know me. Okay, you know me before we got married. You met me a virgin. I don't know what happened.
That's the more reason I loved you with every fiber in me. But you chose to save your promiscuity till after marriage. Was I not good enough for you? What is it that every man did for a wife that I did not do for you? Tell me!
Did everything. Everything a man would do for a wife, you did. I swear to God, you were the best thing that ever happened to me. I couldn't have asked for more. Please. Please. My heart is broken. I'm not at peace. All I ask is your forgiveness and acceptance. That's the only way I can find peace. I beg you, please. Please, I am begging you.
No. Please stop. Now you know how I felt when you did this to me. I had to find a way to move on. So I will advise you do the same thing.
I will die. I beg you. I am begging you, please.
I said I want you to leave my house this minute. Look, you better get out because I don't want to see you here. Just take yourself out of here, okay? Just get out of this place now. Hey, I don't want to come back. Okay?
So have you ever wondered how it will end? Because everything with a beginning must have an end.
That was a good man.
Because the bit
that was a good man.
Still no sense.
I destroyed my own home.
One day
he's a good man. He's a good man. And I
just relax. You will go on your knees and investigate. There is more to it than meets the eye. There is more to it than you realize. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is very wrong somewhere.
I felt that I was tough. If you cross me, you get it wrong. I go for what I want and make sure I get what I want. It didn't matter who I hurt. I make sure I don't get caught. I became untruthful and unfaithful. Because of that, I got the courage, and started playing with my marriage. But now I know better. I have lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Hey, like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Hey, whoa. I have now.
I'm not saying you should forget about the wrongs my sister did. Yes, they may seem irredeemable, I know. But there are also some positives to remember.
Oh yes, there were positives to remember. But the too many negatives has pushed them into a station that they no longer exist.
My sister has been crying for 3 days now. She hasn't eaten anything.
Oh, should I be bothered?
Yes, you should. Ekene, I know my sister disappointed you greatly. But you must please try to forgive. She's ready to make amends. She's sorry.
She's sorry? And you think sorry will just cut it off? Really?
It might not. But she's ready to make amends. I don't want her to slide into depression. And it might affect her mental health.
Listen, please, please. Trying to work on my emotions will certainly not work, okay? If she wants to cry and starve herself to death, then so be it. Oh yes, I mean, it's her making. That's what she has chosen for herself. It's not my making at all, please.
Thank you for your time. I must say something. I'm not trying to exonerate my sister from her wrongs. You yourself said it to yourself that she was lovely before now. I mean, think to yourself. The sudden change in character, all of a sudden she just changed. Is it ordinary? I'll leave you to that. Thank you.
You think I was gonna listen to a ripe story? No way. I mean, it's her mistake, so she should own it. Face it, period.
Come on, Sonia. Why is your line not connecting for days now? Did she block me? Maybe she changed her phone. Or her phone number. Wait. Could it be she has left the country? But I had to believe I didn't visit her office. What have I done? I should have at least visited her while she was here with me at the office. Where? How will I find her? God, where could she be? Where are you, Sonia? Where are you? Please pick up my call. It's not even connecting, God.
Takes me back, it won't. I have lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it.
you even saying? What kind of a friend are you?
Ekene, why don't you just relax and hear what I have to say first?
What is it that you have to say to me? Were you not the one who always come to me and report her? Why are you playing the reverse game now? I can't believe you're so fickle.
Ekene, I understand how you feel. I understand why you're talking this way. But you see, Amanda has been visiting my house for the last 3 days now, in the company of her twin sister. And I felt for her, after listening to her side of the story.
Oh, you felt for her? So you're advising me to go back to that cheat like Amanda? Just because she came to you to tell you some stories with all concocted lies, with false emotions? Let me ask you, if I was your brother, would you advise me to go back to her?
Ekene, you know me too well. You are like a brother to me. I cannot mislead you. Truly, Amanda has acted in error. But something tells me she was hypnotized. Come on, think about it. How do you explain her sudden change from being good to bad? Or even worse? That gives life to that sentiment.
Arinze, what is the reward that she has promised you? Or has she agreed to grace your bed too?
Excuse me, I beg your pardon?
No. You lost the right to my pardon the moment you walked into my house, sat on that chair right in front of me and spewed that nonsense from your mouth. You know, if not for the history that we share, I would have walked you out of my house. Excuse me.
Really now? Ekene, you're walking out on me? I can't believe this. Did you just say that to me?
For long now, I've been searching for the best revenge to take on Ejike, but I've found none. The closest is to eliminate him, but that's wide off the mark. I've never shed human blood and won't start now. Come to think of it, do I need to revenge? Yes, he's an ingrate, but I was also part of the problem. I was so daft and naive that that's what gave him the room to exploit me. I think I should just let him leave and move on. Revenge is not mine, but of the Lord. I need to be free. I must be free.
So precious. While I still had it, it wasn't so obvious, because I was so distracted by my selfishness and greed, when what I wanted was right in front of me.
Worse than I envisaged.
What did he say? What did he tell you?
A lot. And I think with the look of things, he is hurt. And from all indication, he does not want to have anything to do with you again. Anyways, I have an appointment to catch up with. Excuse me.
Please, I want to see Oga, please.
Madam,
please, let me just...
Madam, please, Madam, oh my God. Madam,
Uche.
Hey, shut!
Let her in. I'll handle it.
Okay, sir.
Amanda. Amanda, what's all this charade all about? I thought I warned you never to step your foot into my house again.
Please, I am begging you. Please. I know you are disappointed in me, but I beg you. Whatever it is I have done to you, please forgive me. Please.
What do you mean forgive you? What do you want me to forgive you about? Listen, the only thing I want from you right now is to step out of my house. I mean, take your cheating face out of my house and never return.
Baby, please, my heart is broken. I can't even continue. How do I go on? All I need is your forgiveness. I'm begging you, please, please.
Oh, please. Please, just stop all this your emotional manipulation because it's not going to work with me, okay? I can't and will never, never have anything to do with you again. Just stop it. Don't. Just stop it. Stop it.
Please, I'm begging you.
Amanda.
Please.
Amanda, I want you to just stand up and take yourself.
I'm begging.
Amanda, you know what I'm going to do if I go into that house and come back and meet you here. You know what I'm going to do when I come back here. Just get yourself out of my house now.
I'm begging you.
But now I know better. Omega I have lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. I have now realized that I have lost something so precious.
Esther, I have told you to leave this room. I am trying to make peace with my girlfriend. Leave here now before she comes back.
Ejike, what did I just hear you say? You want to make peace with your girlfriend? Who am I then? Your boyfriend? Better stop this joke and say something meaningful to my pregnancy.
I am warning you for the last time. Leave this place now!
And go where exactly? Huh? My brother have sent me out of his house. I suggest we go to your uncompleted building and stay there if you don't have money to rent a house. For your information, pregnancy was not the only thing the doctor said. He confirmed me HIV positive.
What?
Did I hear that correctly? You're not only pregnant, but you're also HIV positive.
See, baby, don't mind this girl. She's a devil incarnate herself. I am neither HIV positive nor responsible for her pregnancy.
AGK, who is your baby? Who are you babying? FYI, the only reason I allowed you to still stay in this house is because I wanted to have my own pound of flesh. But obviously, Nemesis has caught up with you. You know, just get out.
Come on, baby. You don't have to believe
Get
her.
out!
See, I'm clean. I don't have the virus.
But your baby mama does. And I'm sure she must have infected you with it. Listen, enough of all this drama and bullshit. Just leave. Get out. Thank God I never allowed you to make love to me. Thank God. Get out!
But now I know better. Omega I have lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Hey, like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Hey, whoa. I have now realized that I have lost something so precious, so precious. While I still had it, it wasn't so obvious, because I was so distracted by my selfishness and greed, when what I wanted was right in front of me, but I was too blind to see. Oh, I was too blind to see. But now I know better. Omega Muvunanya. I had lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it.
You know what? Get out.
Babe, please don't do this to me. I am sure we can work things out.
Work things out with who exactly? HK, a piece of advice. Your new focus should be on your baby mama and your new health status.
Baby,
okay?
I am neither HIV positive nor responsible for our pregnancy. Like I told you before, we only did it just once.
HK, you lie. It's Womagnasi. Do you remember the day you caught us? That was our first day. Yes. Ever since then, we have done it more than 15 times. We have done it in this house, in our completed building, and other fun places.
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your mouth before I kill you here?
You won't do that here, okay? Nobody is killing anybody. And at this point, I am losing the last drop of patience I have. I've heard everything and I've heard enough. HK, get out. Get out, HK.
Baby, don't
get out, HK.
Jesus, get out.
Get out from here.
By my selfishness and greed, when what I wanted was right in front of me, but I was too blind to see. Oh, I was too blind to see. But now I know better. Omega Muvunanya. I had lost the good thing I had. I didn't value the good thing I had. Like they say, you don't know what you have until you lose it. Hey, like they say, you don't know what.
It's okay. It's okay. I actually vowed never to have anything to do with you again. But your tears has really softened my heart. I was hurt. Really hurt. But I knew somehow that this wasn't the Amanda I got married to.
Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Nelson. Yes, I'm fine. No, everything is fine. I wanted to know if you are in the hospital at the moment. Okay. I'm coming.
Can you just stop? What's this?
Baby, no.
Stop it!
Baby, come on now. Can't you see how I'm feeling? Come on.
Why are you harassing me? What's this?
Ogechi, why are you doing this? I thought you were forgiving me.
I have.
So, why are you pushing me away? See, it's over 2 months now since we last made love. This was the reason Esther happened.
And she can continue to happen if it's just sex you want.
Ogechi, how long will you continue to do this?
As long as it lasts, darling. Please, I want peace. Don't disturb me.
Ogechi, this is not fair.
Life ain't fair.
God. Thank God I didn't allow him touch me all this while. But what if? No. I must go check myself at the hospital. Oh God, please. Don't let it be my portion. Please. Amen. Amen.
Ejike, what are we doing here now? I don't understand anything. See, making your face look like a hungry monkey. See, it will not solve anything. See, it's already even. And very soon, everywhere will be dark. Ejike, I'm talking to you.
How dare you? How dare you use that cursed hand to touch me? See, I don't want to have anything to do with you again. And if I go to the hospital and I discover that I'm HIV positive, I am going to kill you.
Look at who is talking. We already have it. There's no need you going to the hospital.
No need. We already have it. The only option left for us here is to get married.
Marry who?
Me.
God forbid. See, I am living here now, and I don't want you to follow me.
Really?
Don't follow me.
Okay. So, you think I will stay and wait for you, Abby? Anywhere you go, I'll go there.
Lord, thank you. Thank you. This is the best news of my life. Thank you for also taking this idiot HK out of my life. Thank you, God. Thank you.
I must follow you anywhere you go.
Be careful with me. I don't have any business with you anymore.
I will follow you anywhere you go. And you got me pregnant. Even with HIV.
What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
Anywhere you go, I'll go there. Okay, I will follow you anywhere you go.
Not God forbid.
I must follow you.